Hi, today we're going to look into legal services business expense tracker and understand how you can track your expenses in one Notion template. So let me quickly turn off my webcam so that the screen is visible. And if you see, this is the particular template that we're talking about. We've got a category section on the top, which reflects three different categories of business expense. And underneath every category, we have a budgeted expense amount and the actual expenses. Actual expenses are being pulled from the table at the bottom, and the budgeted expense can be defined from your end once you type out the value over here. Okay. So underneath every category can see percentage indicator which shows how much of actual expenses was incurred so far. And if you want to add a particular category, click on this new page to add a new category. If you want to delete any of the category, click on this three dot and click on delete. The category will be deleted. And at the same time, if you want to edit any of the category, click on this pencil icon to edit the category. So once you type out any new category value, it will get synced both ways in the table and at the top over here. Okay. So I'm going to undo the changes and I'm going to show you once you enter any of the values over here, it will also dynamically get updated at the top. Okay, so this is both ways synced. And finally, under the summary section, we can see the total budgeted expense that was set from the figures that we had over here. And then the actual expenses, which is being incurred from the table over here. The difference in between the both and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. So this is a quick and easy way to track your legal services business expenses. If you're looking to customize this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.